As the chairman and founder of Kynduh, I'm so proud of you, Molin Khongkrom. You deserve this kind of recognition from our state and outside our state. I'm deeply grateful for your commitment towards a more environmentally conscious world.
Hey, this is Evan. I'm from Kerala, India, and I'm here in the Riwai village of Meghalaya. And I'm with Molin. He's been doing the Clean Riwai campaign for the last 10 years, and he's been working hard to clean this village himself. And this is a good initiative. This is my second time visit in Riwai after 5 years of gap. So I have rejoined with Molin for cleaning the Riwai village campaign, and we have to support him in this initiative. And for those who are traveling to Meghalaya or here, have to keep it in mind that you do not litter here, because we have to keep it clean and good for the future generations too.
Wan Kynduh Khnang u Evan Nongkerela ya ubak Molin Khongkrom Chairman Kynduh Riwai Unit kalong shisha ke basotna bantip bau Evan ula wan Khnang ban Kynduh kerpang ya ubak Molin Khongkrom bana ka Khnang Riwai kani kadai ka sin baar hapo sansnem bau wan Kynduh ya ubak Molin Khongkrom ka jingwan jong u nadu kerla chiduk Riwai kalong bat aiman sim ya ki kamba bha jong ubak Molin kumbar chupentip bau ubak Molin ula tray shpaus nem tam ban penek pensa ya ke mai mariang bat ban penek ya ke khuit ke suba hapo shnong hapo thau kalong shisha ke burom ke bakrau ya ke shnong Riwai ha ke bawat ki breu banabar ki tip ya ke jingkhuit ni suba jongka ka nuksa bangi yo nak ni ke video kalong bangi dei ban yai tray shitom med bat mesim tada mi kwa ban poi shakathong kani kam dei ke bakut ya ba Molin Khongkrom Henry kadai penpan tang ke jisdang bau nang la ban nang pen bha shushu ya kasap kapong bau don tu bo nuk salem ya kadin chat jong ni rong ba bodon shisha ka jingit kle naman ta ka thang bat kadi kasi jong ni berkoi ni ai kublei ru ya o Evin bau nang kiu ha kilyang baro kham tam ha ka jinglong bakluit mesim jong u banitrilang bat uba Molin Khongkrom kublei shibu ni phi kublei phi baro